Welcome back to West of Anywhere Travel. Here's what's coming up today in our Swiss travel series. Today we're taking a walk through one of the most breathtaking valleys in the world, Lauterbrunnen. We'll be walking from the village of Lauterbrunnen to the entrance to Trümmelbach Falls, about a 3-kilometre journey. Our walk begins here at the railway station. From here, trains connect travellers to famous mountain destinations throughout the Jungfrau region. Mountain villages such as Wengen and Muren are accessed via train and cable car from this transport hub. The village is home to just over 2,000 residents, and here you'll find everything a traveller needs. There's plenty of restaurants, cafes, accommodation, and souvenir and boutique shopping. The village is also home to numerous outdoor adventure and tour companies. Hiking, paragliding, base jumping are all popular adventure activities in the valley. Right above the village is one of the most famous waterfalls in Europe, Trümmelbach Falls. The falls drop about 297 metres from the cliffs above the valley, making it one of the highest free-falling waterfalls in Europe. It's an easy, mostly flat walk from here to the falls, making this one of the most rewarding gentle hikes in Switzerland. Snowmelt from the surrounding Bernese Alps feeds the West Lucerne River that runs through the valley. Glacial sediment from melting snow and glaciers gives the water its milky blue colour. As we leave the village behind, the path opens into wide green meadows scattered with wooden farmhouses. We recommend bringing some cash to take advantage of the farm fridges selling local produce along the way. And there's always somewhere in Switzerland to fill your water bottle for free. After about a 40-minute walk, we arrive at the falls. If you enjoyed this walk through the Lauterbrunnen Valley, drop us a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our tour of Trummelbach Falls. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you west of anywhere.